everyone, my name is Focus and today I'll teach you how to make steamed egg. So the ingredients are 2 eggs. You can use 1 egg but I'm using 2 eggs. Some vegetable for decoration, some mincemeat. You don't have to put mincemeat in it but I want to. So and this is the soy sauce and this is the water 4 tablespoons and milk, fresh milk 6 tablespoons, and let's put in the egg. I think it's better if you crack it on an edge like here. It will have a more percent for it will have a more percent of sharp shards going in it. Soy sauce next. Maybe add a little more. Next, we can stir it in first. So it's okay. You don't really have to put in the meat, but we put it in for this video. It can be simple. You also don't have to put in the fresh milk. If you don't have milk, then you can put in water. The milk is only to make it more soft, the steamed egg. Next, we can put in the water. And then the milk to make it more soft. The meat is for like adding in protein, I think, but my mom forced me to put the meat in, so I don't know. Alright. Next, we put it in this cup. You put it in this way. The vegetable is for decoration and bit more. So when you're finished mixing, you can put it in the microwave for 4 to 5 minutes. So make sure you use metal or not plastic kind of container to put it in the microwave. If you put it a plastic container, then everything will just be wet. Smells nice. This is the result of what we made. We're finished now, and this is going to be my breakfast. So